Ex-director of Ripple. XRP will reach $100 easy. The Ripple and XRP ecosystems are constantly growing, not only due to new Ripple net members, but also due to the growing number of connections of the company's partners. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. It became known that Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group Corporation, SMFG, will acquire a stake in another large Japanese financial company, SBI Holdings, a strategic partner of Ripple. SMFG, whose assets are estimated at $2.2 trillion, intends to acquire a 10% stake in the SBI Holdings business in order to strengthen its position in the securities services market. The estimated size of the transaction is $590 million. The deal, if it is concluded, will be a continuation of the 15-year history of cooperation between two eminent Japanese financial corporations. It is also worth noting that the two conglomerates even jointly invested in one of Ripple's products, RippleNet MoneyTap. According to lawyer John Deaton, the deal may have a positive long-term impact on Ripple and XRP due to SBI Holdings' ties with the crypto company. SBI is a major holder of XRP, and the president of the financial group, Yoshitaka Kitao, was on the board of directors of Ripple for 2 years. Papaya Global has announced the acquisition of Azimo Digital Money Transfer Service, a payment platform that will allow Papaya Global to make instant payments worldwide. Together with Azimo, Papaya will be able to offer a payment solution that will deliver payments within hours, not days. Together they plan to create an innovative new payment and financial offer for customers in the form of cash and credit products, as well as in cryptocurrency. The acquisition includes Azimo's advanced technology, extensive experience in cross-border money transfers, a global digital payment network covering more than 150 countries, and, most importantly, payment licenses in the UK, the Netherlands, Canada, Australia and Hong Kong. Two of the most active corporate investors in blockchain and digital assets and longtime partners of Ripple, Standard Chartered Bank and Japan's SBI Holdings, are collaborating to create an ecosystem of digital assets. Last month, financial technology cooperation was officially announced between the bank's Singapore subsidiary SC Ventures and SBI to work together to create ecosystems of startups. The sectors included internet technologies, fintech, artificial intelligence, blockchain and crypto assets. In a recent presentation to investors, SBI said that the collaboration includes Standard Chartered's headquarters in the UK and will cover BOSS, blockchain as a service, related businesses and digital asset areas, DeFi, Metaverse, Web 3.0, etc., in Southeast Asia, the Middle East and Africa. During the same presentation, SBI also mentioned a joint venture to store digital assets between a global British enterprise and two subsidiaries of SBI, SBI Digital Assets Holdings and the SBI VC Trade Crypto Exchange. Currently, Standard Chartered owns 95% of the custodian of the UK-regulated Zodia Digital Assets. According to the ASEAN Global Connections report, among fintechs in the field of money transfers, Ripple is mentioned in the first place in ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations, as the most prominent, followed by its partner, the Singapore startup Nium. #Ripple user Nium has partnered with Stellar to enable payouts in 190 countries. They have an API connection that conforms to Stellar interoperability standards. Nium will be able to provide clients on the Stellar network with a suite of payment services. Nium, a global money transfer platform, and the Stellar Development Foundation, SDF, a nonprofit organization that supports the development and growth of the open-source Stellar public blockchain, today announced a partnership that allows payments to be made in 190 countries. As noted by a respected member of the XRP community on Twitter, Wrath of Conman at W. Conman, This partnership does not replace their use of Ripple. They use many payment channels. The cheapest and most liquid option will win. Perhaps this is an attempt to increase the liquidity of the USDC through Neum. Companies can now make payments of fiat money to 190 countries through Stellar, a network specially created for fast and efficient payments. Stellar's faster and more convenient approach to cross-border payments improves the traditional correspondent banking system, speeding up the receipt of funds, reducing settlement risk and eliminating pre-financing requirements. By launching an API connection that meets Stellar compatibility standards, Neum will be able to provide customers on the Stellar network with a set of payment services that can scale as their global money flow needs evolve and progress. In addition to the ability to send payments anywhere in the world, Neum offers advanced real-time payment options. With Neum, businesses do not need to create their own payment infrastructure. Instead, they can simply create their brand based on an existing platform and use licenses and permits from Neum regulatory authorities in more than 40 countries. According to the announcement, the Ripple blockchain company has opened its first office in Canada. Ripple is one of those crypto companies that, against the backdrop of an increasing crypto winter, increases its staff, rather than reducing it. And given the ongoing lawsuit around the SEC and Ripple, such an event at least hints at firm confidence in its future for the company. His new office in Toronto will serve as the company's key engineering hub. Garlinghouse says there is a lot of talent in the most populous city in the country. Ripple will begin recruiting employees in Toronto, aiming to hire hundreds of blockchain software developers in the long term. Garlinghouse said the company will continue to hire employees, in stark contrast to other major cryptocurrency companies such as Coinbase, which have dramatically reduced their workforce. Ripple has a significant cash balance that will allow the company to survive the ongoing crisis. In his statement, Garlinghouse says that many talented engineers are leaving traditional finance to enter the cryptocurrency space. Toronto Mayor John Tory says Ripple is perfect for the city, praising the company's innovative technologies. Quote, in 2021, Ripple also opened offices in Miami and Dubai. Prior to opening its first office in Canada, Ripple had already collaborated with several Canadian universities as part of its University Blockchain Research Initiative, UBRI, program. Meanwhile, many Canadian crypto exchanges excluded XRP from the listing or stopped trading after the SEC sued Ripple. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.